Integrating an ActiveCampaign form into your WordPress site enables seamless lead capture and improves your marketing efforts. Here's how to do it. Log into ActiveCampaign. Go to ActiveCampaign and log into your account. Create a form. Navigate to Forms in the ActiveCampaign dashboard and click Create a Form. Choose the type of form and customize it with fields, styles, and settings as needed. Get the form code. Once your form is designed, click Integrate or Publish. Select the embed option and copy the provided HTML code or JavaScript code for the form. Log into WordPress. Access your WordPress admin dashboard by going to your site's URL and logging in. Add the form to your site. Navigate to the page or post where you want to add the form. Switch to the HTML editor or use a custom HTML block if you're using the Gutenberg editor. Paste the form code you copied from ActiveCampaign into the editor. Save and preview. Save or update the page or post and preview it to ensure the form appears correctly and functions as expected. Test the form. Fill out the form on your site to verify that submissions are correctly captured in ActiveCampaign.